Children, we learned about the salts in the previous video where we talked about the types of salts, acidic, basic or neutral salts. In the last topic of the chapter, we have to study about the 6 commonly used salts that we use in our daily life, out of which you have to do their common names, their chemical names, their preparations and their uses. The preparations and uses will be given to you in the notes. We are just sharing these 6 salts here. The first one said to be rock salt, commonly known as sodium chloride, the salt that we use in our kitchens as a flavoring agent in foods. The formula for that salt is NaCl. The second salt that you have to do is the sodium hydroxide salt, whose formula is NaOH, which is also known as the most common alkali. The process by which this salt is prepared is called chlor-alkali process. Reason being, when you prepare this salt, you get chlorine gas along with the alkali. The preparations and uses I will share with you in the following notes. The next salt, baking soda. Baking soda is a very commonly heard name by all of you, as the word itself suggests. Baking. Baking is a proper food industry. It is a technique of cooking of food. And all that baking industry stands upon this white colored powdered salt, which creates baking process. In terms of chemistry, it is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula is NaHCO3 with special properties of baking. Preparation includes equation and the uses will be shared to you in the notes. Washing soda. Washing soda, as the name again is implying its meaning, all the soaps and all the washing powders, the shampoos that you use in your daily life contains this chemical called washing soda, which is nothing but sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. This compound has cleansing properties. Hence, it is a part and parcel of all the cleaning materials that we use in our daily life. Next on the list is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Bleaching is a technique of removal of color. Whenever we have to remove the color of something, we call it as bleaching. Very well familiar word which is used in parlors, in laundries. Whenever we are not able to remove a particular stain, we approach towards the laundries where this powder is used. Chemically, it is called calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride with the formula CaOCl2, and this compound liberates chlorine gas when it is used, which is actually a poisonous gas. That is the reason why we use it at normal cleaning processes at home. Bleaching powder. Then comes the last compound, plaster of Paris. We also call it POP in short. Nowadays, this is too much in use as a decorative item. We use it for decorative purposes of walls, the roofs that we use. Chemically, it is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate may also be known as calcium sulfate half hydrate. CaSO4 dot half H2O. Right? This compound all of us have seen. हम सब ने इसको देखा हुआ है, घरों में यूज़ करते हैं हम. रूफ्स को डेकोरेट करने के लिए we use it for making statues. We use it for making walls. Whenever we do whitewashing on the walls, POP is used for repair of walls to make the surface of the walls plain so that it gives a good look. Plaster of Paris is also used for joining the fractured bones. So it is of medical use also because it has a cement-like property. Whenever you mix this white colored powder with water, it hardens and it keeps your broken bones in place wherever you want to join them. So it has a great medical use. We also use it in chemistry labs to make the apparatus airtight because it prevents leakage of any kind of gases. So all these powders, the notes will share with you the chemical equation required in preparations. This topic is of great use from the examination point of view. 3-mark questions are asked on the preparations and their uses. All these powders, starting from rock salt to plaster of Paris, they all are white in color and are used in households. That is the reason why we have to learn their properties and their uses thoroughly. That finishes your chapter acid, bases and salts. Do the notes and save them for proper learning. Thank you.